guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today I'm super excited because we have a whole bunch of new nail stuff to try. So we have a huge Temu nail haul today, and I'm gonna show you guys everything I got because I got some good stuff and I'm really excited. You know, I see a lot of the same stuff on Amazon, but on Amazon, nail decoration is honestly really expensive. Some of the stuff I got from Temu could find it on Amazon for like $10 more. Like, why is it that expensive? I don't know. But before we get into the Temu stuff, let me show you just some other nail stuff that I got, some things that I've been running out of recently. So from Amazon, I got some new nail art brushes. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that I've been complaining about my nail art brush, and she was just getting worse and worse as the days went on. This is long overdue. I should have got new brushes. So these are from Winstonia, and this came with 3 different sizes of brush. So this one is the short one. Oh, it's honestly not that short as I thought it was gonna be, but wow, look how beautiful that is. So thin, so perfect. I am ready to do some nail art. This is the medium one, pretty good, just a little bit longer, and then the long one. A lot of you guys have been mentioning to try using a longer nail art brush to get my lines cleaner, so now I actually have one. Okay, so my next item, it's a few items. I got some more nail tips. I've also been mentioning that I'm running out of nail tips, so I finally got a refill. Okay, so these are from a brand called De Bougie Bar. I found them on Instagram, and literally, like, these are my favorite nail tips ever. They are so good. Like, I just love them. They're the perfect nail tips for me, and I use them in pretty much all my videos. So I think these are called the extra long square nail tips. I'll have everything in this video linked in the description so you can find it. So I got 2 bags of the square nail tips, and I also got some extra long full cover square tips. I don't really use full cover tips because I can't find good ones, but these are so gorgeous and super long and perfectly squared. I don't know when I'm gonna use these, but I just thought it would be nice to have them. Okay, so that was all the stuff that I didn't get from Temu. Now let's get into the Temu nail haul. Okay, so I got 25 different nail items, and don't be mad at me. I did already open them and like look at them because I was too excited. I couldn't wait. So these 25 items, originally they cost like $50, I think, but I put in a coupon code for 30% off. So this turned out to be, I think, like $40 or like 39, something like that. So to me, that's like really good for 25 different items. Like I said, one of these things on Amazon is like $10. This is a lot for such a good price, and I'm really excited to show you everything. So I got a lot of different nail charms and nail decorations because I feel like I was lacking on like the trendy nail decoration stuff. Like, I feel like I didn't have a lot of the cool stuff that I've been seeing around, so I got a bunch of that stuff. So let's just start. First of all, we have this Iridescent Flakes. So it comes in this little container, which is a very nice container, honestly. And wow, these are so pretty. Wow, these are really nice. They're like really thin, perfect to put in the nail. Like I said before, everything I have here will be linked in the description. Also, I'm not sponsored by Temu. This isn't sponsored. Next, I got these silver and gold. I don't know what to call them, but they have like the crosses. I've been seeing these a lot. Honestly, they're kind of smaller than what I expected because, you know, I do really long nails most of the time. They're gonna be small compared to my nails, but oh well. Next, I got a pack of these white pearl shapes. Next, I got these giant charms. There's bears and bunnies, and they're cute. Next, I have this pink pack of like the pearls, and there's like pearl hearts and stars and like other different shapes. Oh my gosh, I literally saw this heart in a nail set that I want to do. I think it's a sign to do that nail set today. I got a different pink pack of nail charms. This one has a bit more of a variety of colors and items. So we have like different shades of pink and iridescent stuff as well. But we have like the pearls again and butterfly charms and bows. But that's why I like this pack, because it had like so much random stuff. Next item is something that I've been seeing a lot. It's these hearts that are like dripping. So I got gold ones and I got silver ones. Next item is some pastel iridescent gummy bears. So now this next thing is something that I've been wanting for so long, but like I said before, on Amazon they were always so expensive, and I was like, you know, I just don't feel like spending spending that money on it right now. And it's these planet charms. These are very trendy. I see this in almost every nail set that has a charm in it. They're just so cute and they go with everything. So I got pink ones and also these silver ones. And I am very happy with these and super excited to use them. Next thing here are some jumbo Hello Kitty nail gem charms. So we have some regular silver ones and also some pink ones. I just thought maybe I would do a Hello Kitty nail set eventually. We have some star charms. So these ones have the main star and then have like a little star dangling from it. They kind of have like the same vibe as these planet charms. I thought these were very cute. Next I got another like mixed pack of purple nail charms. So this is kind of like the other pink one, but they're just purple. So the next thing that I got a lot of, I think they're called like Opal Flakes or something like that. Opal shards, I don't know. So yeah, this is the first one I got. I don't remember them being like this dark, and they just have like a cool reflectiveness to them. But I saw a nail set that really inspired me with these, so I got a bunch of different colors of this type of thing. So I got them in pink as well. This is a very pretty pink color. I'm so excited to do the nail sets finally, because like I've had so many that I wanted to do but can't do because I don't have the nail decorations that I need for them. I also got this white one, and these look very similar, but they're not. Like, these are a different shape than these. And then I also got a blue one. So yeah, this one has like a little bit more of a rounded shape. They just look kind of smoother, and it's like an off-white color. This one is that same type of off-white, but these are just more jagged and the pieces look bigger. Here's that blue one a little bit more up close. Next is a nail tool. This is an ombre brush. I've seen this brush a lot recently, and it just seems to make ombres a lot easier. You just paint on the ombre and then you blend it with this brush because the bristles are sparse like this and can blend the gel polish. And also it'll be way easier to do like the vertical ombres. So I just thought this was the perfect tool that I needed. The next nail tool I have here, this is a brush holder, and you guys don't want to see the side of my desk right now. It's a mess, and I'm just hoping that, you know, this will keep me organized. You basically just put the brush on the holder. It's super good because when I do nail art, sometimes I just throw my brush to the side and then I get gel polish everywhere on my napkin. And so this is perfect, like holds the brush up nicely. I needed this. So the next items are like gel items. So the first thing here is this, I think it's like Iridescent Flake type of gel, but I tried opening it when it first came and I couldn't, so I gave up. So now we're gonna actually see what it looks like in here. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, that is so gorgeous. That looks so magical. I need to paint this on something right now. So I have like a random nail tip and we're painting this on here. It's kind of like a little bit sparse. It just needs some layers to like build it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna use my brush holder. Yeah, this is very pretty. So the next thing I have here, so this is, I think it's called carving gel, but it's basically that thick gel that you could like mold with your fingers. Whoa, this is weird. You can mold it with your fingers and make shapes and whatever you want. And have you guys seen that trend? It's like the 3D chrome, but it's like a perfect gel line. Yeah, this is what they use. Okay, my line is not looking that good. And then you just put this on the nail and you paint it and it's perfect. We will be using this eventually. So the last three things I got here are some polygels. So let me just swatch them for you. We got 3 different colors. These are some glitter polygels. So the first one is this blue glitter. That is a really nice glitter. They're kind of thick, like it's kind of hard to squeeze out of the bottle, which is not what I was expecting. I was definitely expecting more like a sticky, runny type of consistency, but no, these are like thick. Next is this pink glitter. Wow. And here is the last color. It's a really pretty purple. These colors are so nice, and I am very curious on the consistency of these. Like, I want to pat these around and see how they actually feel to mold. Okay, so this is pretty much everything I got from my Temu nail haul. I'm just super happy with everything and really excited to get into a nail set and use some of our different stuff that we have here. And if you guys want to see more stuff from Temu, or if you have any suggestions on things I should get from Temu, please let me know in the comments. Hello. So I'm not showing you my other hand because I already did the nails and I don't want you guys to see them yet. So I've decided to make this kind of like a two-part video. So in this video, it's just the Temu haul because I feel like the haul was long enough to be its own video. So I hope you guys don't mind that we're not doing any nails today. But honestly, I wanted this nail haul to have its own moment because it was a lot of stuff and all the stuff is really good. So please make sure you check out the description of all the nail stuff we got today. It honestly feels a little bit too good to be true because everything is so affordable, but everything is literally like so good and exactly how the pictures are. So yeah, no nails today, but don't worry, that video is going to be up tomorrow, so it's not going to be that long of a wait. And I guess I'll give you guys like a super small sneak peek of the nails. Okay, that's all you get. Just like super small sneak peek. Stay tuned for tomorrow, please. This nail set turned out so good and you get to see me use a bunch of the different Temu stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!